Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonongrene. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Microsoft Word into a calculator. And you will really like this video because there are some times as a mathematics teacher when we are in the classroom teaching, we may want to do some basic calculations, especially when we have prepared our notes using the Microsoft Word and want to do some basic calculations and we need the children to touch the calculator. You can actually do that in your Microsoft Word here and you are good to go. Even when you are preparing your marking scheme, maybe multiple choice questions, you want to prepare the marking scheme and you need to do some calculations very fast and you don't have pen or maybe you can't solve it easily and you need a calculator, you can actually use your Microsoft Word to do your addition, your subtraction, all the necessary signs you need for your calculation. So let's go straight. So before I go on to show you how you can use the Microsoft Word as a calculator, all you need to have, you see this thing right here in my Microsoft Word Mathematics, you need to install the Microsoft Mathematics. And to get it, just go to the description of this video. You will see the link I put down there. Just click on the link. You will get the Microsoft Mathematics installed in your system. And when you download the Microsoft Mathematics, you are going to see it something like this. Let me show you. You see it here, Microsoft Mathematics. And when you open the folder, you are going to see the two files here. So these are the setup. You install this Microsoft Mathematics, it will install into your system. While this MA setup, you use it to integrate Microsoft Mathematics into your Microsoft Word, and with that you are good to go. So when you are through with installing it, then you integrate it into your Microsoft Word, then you can do all the calculations you need. Then after installing the Microsoft into your system, you are going to have this. You can see this is the Microsoft Mathematics. After installing it in your system, it will come out like this in your desktop. And when you have it like this in your desktop, you can open it. So let me open it. So as I double tap it now, so this is Microsoft Mathematics. So it's already in my system. You can actually do so many things you want. You can see some functions here. You can insert matrix and the rest. You can do some other things, trigonometry, linear equations, just like that. Alright, so this is Microsoft Mathematics. You can work with it as you want in this place, but what I usually do with Microsoft Mathematics more, I use it more in my Microsoft Word to make my work easy for me to do some basic calculations as I work in my classroom with my students, and I'm good to go. Once again, don't forget to get this Microsoft Mathematics, go to the description of this video, click on it and download it and integrate it into your Microsoft Word and you start and move from there. So that is that. So let's go to the first demonstration I have here, how you can use the Microsoft Mathematics in your system. Alright, in this part of my presentation, I'm going to show you how you can do a basic differentiation and integration using the Microsoft Word. And we'll also show you how you can do some trigonometric ratio values using your Microsoft Word. Alright, let's start and see how we can do that. To start, as usual, you get your function and you go to your mathematics and tap on integrate or differentiate depending on what you want. Okay, let me also impute very fast using my fx equation. To impute very fast, let's say I want to differentiate something like x cubed minus 5x squared, let's say plus 6x minus 9. Let's say I want to differentiate this. Please, in differentiation and integration, you just type the function. You don't need to put y equals to whatever. It will not recognize it in your Microsoft Word. So you copy and paste it here. As I paste it, go to mathematics, you will see compute, then you can see it. It's either you are calculating something there, calculate the value of selected expression, or you are differentiating, but it is differentiation I want, or integrate. So if you tap on differentiate, so this is the result for differentiation. You can increase the font size if you want. So let's leave it as 22. So this is the result when you differentiate this. This is what you get. If you want to put the value of the y, the x after you have done the result, you can now put it. You can now type your y equals to this. You can now put your dy dx. You can get it fast also from fs equation. Just do dy divided by dx to come out the way you want it. Tap this, then come here, you paste it there, put your equals to, take it back, and that is that. So you can see how beautiful it is, and how you can do it quick and fast without any delay. You can also demonstrate it in your classroom. The basic differentiation, you can actually do it here without any delay. If you let me try something x, let's remove this. If we have something like, let me go back to fx. Let's take a differentiation of quotient, for example. Let's say I have x minus 3. I need to put this in bracket first. Alright. Okay, let's say divided by, let's say x plus, let's say 2. I need to put it in bracket also. Alright. I also try to differentiate and see. You paste it here. So you come to mathematics, compute, see, you can actually expand this. So this is what I want. So whatever is possible in your Microsoft Math, it will highlight it here and allow you to click on it and do it. So what I want to do here is differentiate. So this is my result for differentiation. So after you have gotten your result, you can now impute your y equals to whatever you want to do. Y equals to this. Then you can now put in your dy dx here. But before I do that, let me come and type it here. Just put your dy dx. Then come to Microsoft Word, paste it, put your equals to, and that is that. When you differentiate this, you are going to get this result. So let me increase the font of this y there. Okay, this is better. So this is the result. So you can do basic differentiation using your Microsoft Word, and you are good to go. Alright, let's move on. So if I want to do integration, still the same process, just type in the expression you want to integrate. Let me also type it very fast here. Maybe I want to integrate 2x square plus maybe 3x, let's say minus 9, for example. You copy it here, come to your MS Word, paste it. As you tap on this, very easy compute, integrate on x. So this is the result. You can even see it gave us the constant c of every integration. So that is it. So when you are through with this, you can now get the symbol. Let's get the symbol of integration here. If I want to put the symbol of integration here, just put int. See, the symbol has come out. Then we are good to go. You now paste it into your Microsoft Word, Ctrl V, then put your backspace. You can see it has come out here. You can put them in brackets, and you can put them in brackets, take it down, cover the bracket, put your dx. See, it comes out the way you want it. Then that is the result of your integration. So this is basic integration. You can actually do it and get your basic result. So this is differentiation and integration. Just try different functions. You can get your result and you are good to go. Then let's do trigonometry and see how it goes. So if I'm to do basic trigonometry, I need to do some settings first. As you open your mathematics, you can see I need my result in degree. If you want it in radian, you click on radian. If you want it in the gradient, you put it there. Then you can see the places of decimal. I set this on 2. You can set it to 3 places of decimal. Let me set it to 4 places of decimal. Is it complex number? Is it real? So we are working on real numbers. So when you have all that, you can now input your value. So come here, use this value, use this place to input your result. So let's say I'm looking for sine. Let's say, for example, sine 30. We all know the result of sine 30. This is 1 over 2. Then calculate. You can see it gives us in solved form equals to, put your result, and that is that. So if I need more, let's go down. So let's say I need, let's go to math again. Let's say I need cos. Let me come to sine again. Let's do sine. Let's say I need cos. For example, cos, let me say 30 again. Come to compute, calculate. See, it's giving me the result in solved form, which is also very nice and okay. Then equals to that. All right. Let me see if it will give us the validity of it. Okay, so we can also test the validity of this. See, it's true. Cos 30 is square root 3 over 2. You can see that the validity is given there. It tested it for us and it's correct. All right. So let's cancel this. So you can actually do so many things, different values. Let me see if you can simplify this in a, let me see if it's going to give me in fraction, in decimal. Okay, it's not coming. Okay, let me try if it's going to change this to decimal for me. Let's see. No, it's not doing it in decimal. It's only coming out in fraction. Alright, so if you need it in decimal, that means you still need to break it down further on your own. Alright, so this is how we do basic trigonometry of values using the Microsoft Word. So that is all I have for this differentiation, integration, and basic trigonometry using the Microsoft Word. So that is all for now.